This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Halor ki khubor bo wei briu la Pynïap ila chong ko Kurim Nongrah Nonglum brei uba Vivek Sim IPS SP ke East Khasils District le thu bu tei briu bla tip kerteng Donald Sotun la tiet Pynïap ila chong ko Kurim jungu bla tip kerteng Priya Khongstia do mau ula ong bu yau tei mau la lap na chan yeng ba Shawei hak te ga snong kete ki Pynïap la Suba ba kandai pedeng ka arpsan bat arfra trek chumang arjapsan ba la lap ika mediap chongka bala kalain da ka blanket Mulai tu bagi pulet kila kami utai beliau kesengi belai opriang ke jahar hak lai pau trek cuma ajar pesan bak kucing tok ke diuru kadang ya cekman mulai tu bak lami kucingnya pedang kita Shillong hadin bu surang ukunno ya kantai bak don cing dari Shawei pat haswa bu untet ya ka dau tai mau.
Nongrah case accused is arrested. In fact, he is surrendered on the same day himself after police gave chase. The body was actually ascertained. It was found out after 3 days, and we had visited the place of occurrence. The forensic team also had come there. We had taken the dog spot next day. The weapon which was used, or the item which was used to murder the woman also, which was a stone, which was thrown close by. The K9 had sniffed it and sniffed apparel belonging to the victim and actually traced the stone. So we had recovered that stone. He is in judicial custody. We are treating that as a special report case, and we'll be charging that case very soon.
Minu kia ai FIR no inang bahinya.
Kia ai hakasni ban bod hi.
Kat taring.
Hari tu kasni kat hari kasni bagi. Kan ma bhag trek ma, ha? Life trek.
So what was the motive of the murder, sir?
The motive, there was an altercation because between husband and wife. Husband was suspecting spouse of an affair and all that, and got into an argument, and that's how he hit her.
So when was this murder took place, in the night or in the?
Yes, at night.
At night.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya